cool blue. A dish. Alright. Just when I said I was waiting for a bigger piece, nice. Twofer. Green and amber. Sweet. We made it kind of far down. This way it's a little bit sketchy walking through that wooded area, but look, there's a lot of crazy metal. This is a whole barrel ring. That washed here from way out there. So we're not going to stay too long. There's another snowstorm on its way and winds are starting to pick up. So I can't believe there's no big ice shoves out here. I drove up to the beach and I was really surprised in a good way. So, alright. See what else we can come up with here, if anything. Check that out. That's awesome. That's coming home. The garden rack. Nice. That's a really cool color green. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my God. I think that's part of an insulator. That's the biggest piece I've ever found out here. That is awesome. I can't believe that. I knew it was worth it to come down here. Yes! Well, that's nice. That's really thick. Really big piece of amber beach glass. Awesome. Milk glass. Maybe it'll glow. Ooh, check this out. Really nice piece of quartzite. Hey everyone. So just a quick recap of my beach glass finds from today. What is the date? Oh, it's the 11th, March 11th in Kewaunee, Wisconsin. So this is a pretty good one. Manganese glass right there. 2 ambers, and this is the big daddy I found, and that's thicker than the average beer bottle, I want to say. Old beer, probably. Really nice piece of, well, I guess for a beach glass or beach find, nice piece of flow blue porcelain right there. Oh, let's try this. Maybe that helps. The clears, decent. I thought that was clear initially when I found it, and now that it's sitting out, no, it's actually got a little bit of aqua in it, along with those 2. Milk glass, the greens, that's an odd, that's a different shade. It's kind of cool. This is 2 actually. I don't think the video is doing it justice here. It's pretty neon. It's cool. It's nice. And then my prize, you know, you saw the clip earlier. I'm still in disbelief about this. I walked past this spot on the beach. Nothing was there. 10 minutes later, coming back, it appeared in the waves. It was insane to me. And I think it's a piece of an old insulator. This is awesome. It just, I don't know. Anybody that hunts beach glass, this is a prize, you know, to see out there by the lake, by the ocean, wherever you're at. And the reason I think it's part of an insulator is here's one that my best friend gave to me. And, you know, there's threading on the insides of these that used to go on top of the old telegraph poles by railroad tracks, typically. And this has that kind of threading, too. So, you know, these things, these insulators are super thick, and there. Gotta be. Probably a Hemingway. So, as far as the racks I found, nice piece of the, I call it the wintertime Cladipora. Find them in the winter all the time. Summer? No, rarely. It's iron banded jasper. Nice smooth piece. The quartzite. Really clear. Big chunk of it too. For not having any host rock on it. Thought it was a Uberlite. Once again, no. It's okay. Yeah. Like I've said before, I collect these things. Isn't that crazy? No. I put them on wind chimes. I think they look cool. And this is appreciated jasper. A little piece of it stuck out to me. And then the biggest rock I brought home, which I don't usually do, but this one I had to. See the depth? It's a geode, some sort of fossil. I'm unsure of what this was before, you know, in ancient times, but there's some pretty cool structure in that quartz, and there's actually points on these crystals that are in there, and that white stuff in the middle back in there, it's pieces of a zebra mussel, and it's been driving me crazy. I rinsed it, used household tweezers to try and get those bits out, and then I was like, oh yeah, I have an old relic of a surgical instrument, one of many that I have from my work that's long retired. This is called a rat tooth grasper. You can imagine what they used it for. And actually, this thing bends too. It's cool. So I'll let you use your imagination on what they used to use it for on people. But I've been working at this thing, and it's like, I'm going to get it out eventually. It moves, but I just can't get a good hold on it. I'm getting closer. So, yeah, I'll get it eventually here. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. I have some pretty awesome adventures coming up here in the near term, I want to say. So, hope everybody's doing well, and I'll see you soon. Good night.